you guys can see it like glare. Sorry about that.
This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, and the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen. High wind warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. What? West winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour expected.
75.
Where? The Northern Front Range foothills and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly.